Hi, dear Scorpio. A very good evening to all of you guys. So, this is a general love reading for March 2021. So, I'll tap into a partner's energy and your energy, and we will see the potential outcome of this relationship. So, basically, this is the reading for the person on your mind, the person who is mostly on your mind if you are not in a relationship. So, this is their feelings and the outcome from their side, and the cumulative outcome for this relationship. Okay. So, right now, your partner's energy is the Empress. What I feel is your partner is right now working on themselves only. They are focused on themselves only. They are working on their beauty, their structure, their own business, and they are looking very good. They are smelling good. They are looking good. See, the Empress card is there. So basically, they are working on themselves. They are working on their personality development overall and their finances and their business. How they see you right now? They see you as a magician. So Scorpio, they feel like you are the person who can create anything in their life. They feel like you can do whatever you want in your life. You are a very strong and strong-willed person and a very good manifester as well. So basically, they feel like you are kind of magician who can create anything in their life. They feel like you are the perfect person anyone could have in their life. On the flip side, on the negative side, we can say they feel like you are kind of manipulator. You manipulate things and you feel like your way is the only way. If we see the flip side, okay, how they feel about this relationship with you, or how they feel for you, for like about you. This is the Knight of Pentacles. So they feel like you are kind of stable person, but you are very slow to move. You are very slow to commit. Maybe you are very slow to offer any kind of friendship or commitment, or any kind of stability to them. But they feel like you are a very stable person, financially as well, mentally and emotionally as well. So they see you as someone who is very stable in their life, and who is kind of marriage material, and with whom they can have a very solid relationship with you, but they feel like you are kind of slow in movement, and you are not taking any kind of action or any kind of step towards them. That is might be little frustrating for them, but they feel like you are the right person for them, and you are a very stable person who takes action after lots of analyzing things, and after lots of contemplation. You are not, yeah, you are in no hurry to commit to them, I feel, Scorpio. So that is a very good thing. What they want from you, this is the eight of wands. So basically, they want open and honest communication, lots of communication. They want to talk to you. They want to have a date with you, or maybe just plain dinner or something like that. They want to meet you and talk to you face to face. What they want is a conversation, back and forth communication, back and forth conversation or communication. But you can use your words. I don't know what you feel like this. So basically, they want to talk to you very openly and honestly, and reveal what they're feeling right now for you. And they want this relationship to work out. But for that they want to communicate really honestly with you. They want to keep their heart in front of you and tell you how they are really feeling about this relationship, and particularly you. So this communication is very important for both of you guys if you want to work on this relationship. And the outcome from their side is this Eight of Pentacles. They are ready to work on this relationship. I told you, they see you as a marriage material. They see you as a stable person. They want open and honest conversation with you. So basically, they are ready to put in the effort on this relationship, or ready to put the energy in you, invest in you. So basically, they are ready to do all the necessary things that this relationship is going to take. Okay. uh, yeah, right now they are ready to put the effort, and I think by the end of March, they are going to work out on this relationship. All they need is open and honest conversation. Right now, your energy is a tower. So, what I feel is you are going through a transition phase in your life, Scorpio. Maybe you're not feeling very good about this particular person in your life. Maybe you are feeling like this person ditched you in the past or betrayed you in the past. So basically, I feel like you guys broke up with each other, or took a break from each other for a short period of time. I don't know. You better know this. You know better about this situation, right, Scorpio? So basically, I feel like you right now is in this phase of the tower. You are right now maybe not ready for this commitment, for this relationship. But deep inside, you know that this is a transition phase and this will be over soon. Okay, how you see your person? You see your person as a five of pentacles energies there. You see your person left you in the cold in the past. They left you without any reason. They didn't communicated with you well, and they didn't told you what is happening. You felt basically you felt like there was something going on in their life that they didn't told about. And yeah, you felt like you are left out. They left you in the cold, and they left you like hanging on the hanger. Basically, you are not feeling a very very good feeling towards them right now. You feel like this person can betray you again in life. So basically you have some trust issues with your person, whosoever is on your mind, or you had a relationship with you. I don't know. Okay, so what do you feel about this relationship or this person in particular, the star? You are very very hopeful that things will eventually work out with this person. I'll talk to this person, I'll communicate with this person, things will eventually be better. I don't feel like you are in this zone of committing or marriage or stability zone right now, but you feel like things will be better than right now in March. So it is March energy. If it is not resonating with you right now, it will in March. Okay. So basically, you are going to feel like, yes, there is a hope in this relationship. I will talk to them. I will give them a second chance, and we will see what will come out. Okay. What do you want from this relationship? You want a soulful connection with this person. You want a marriage. You want a stable life with this person, but not right now in March. I don't feel you are committing to this person in March, or you are proposing them or doing something else. Basically you have trust issues, and that is why you are doing all this. Okay, so you want a soulful relationship, you want a soulful connection with this person, you feel like a soulmate connection with this person. Deep inside, you know, yes, that this person is right for you. But right now you are in the zone of maybe cold hearted, maybe you are acting a little cold and off. Your vibes are not matching maybe. So basically this is happening with you guys right now. Okay, and this is the five of cups energy. This is the outcome from your side. So I feel like you are going to feel a little depressed. You are going to feel in this mode of loneliness. You are going to feel like, okay, you are offering me this communication, you are offering me you are ready to work on this relationship, but right now I am not in this zone of making any kind of commitment or making any kind of proposal to you. Maybe we will start with a friendship and we will see where it goes. Okay, so basically you are not ready to take the offer. I think they are giving you some kind of offer, and you are basically missing this person as well in your life. You are missing their presence, Scorpio. But I don't feel like you are going to take this offer from their side, or you are going to give any kind of love or commitment offer to them. Okay, so basically you are going to miss them. Okay, yeah, this is what is happening. And the potential outcome from both the parties till the end of March is the Hermit, the Death card, and the Knight of Wands. This is a beautiful energy. The Hermit is telling me that you both will analyze this relationship from a deeper level. You guys are going to communicate with each other, and there will be a passionate new start. But I feel in this relationship again, because the Knight of Wands is the final outcome of this relationship. So yes, this is Death card. So basically you are going to analyze this relationship. Both the parties are going to analyze this relationship from deep within, and you are going to communicate with each other the deep rooted problem. You guys are going to tell each other how you really are feeling about this relationship right now. The Death. So there will be a rebirth in this relationship, there will be a growth in this relationship, and this relationship will no longer be the same as it used to be, because there is lots of change, lots of changing, lots of transformation going on from both the parties. So this is a rebirth card. That always doesn't mean that there's kind of breakup. So right now what I feel is both the parties are taking a break from each other, and you guys are analyzing each and everything, each and every minute detail of this relationship with this person, or with or about this particular person. But the Knight of Wands is there, but I feel like there will be a new beginning in this relationship for till the end of March. By the end of March there will be a new beginning, and open and honest communication will bring you this beginning. I hope. Yes, I hope so. So it is a positive reading. Overall, this is kind of a heavy energy right now between both the parties, and both the parties right now are in this zone of not maybe talking to each other, communicating well with each other. All you guys need is an open and honest conversation with each other, and tell each other what the other party is feeling. So this communication will bring you a new start. There will be a rebirth in this relationship with this particular person, okay? And the advice from the universe is the King of Pentacles. The universe wants to tell you that you should look for something stable, and you should build a stable relationship with whomsoever you want. So you should basically work on your stability, work on your finances, work on yourself, and then look forward in this relationship. This relationship has the potential to become something good in your life, okay? And the bottom of the deck is Temperance again. So Temperance is card of balancing your waters, balancing your emotions. Maybe one part is very very emotional, and the other is rational, and the other is kind of practical. So you both have to work on your emotional balance as well, okay? So yeah, let me quickly see the love oracle deck and see what will happen to you guys by the end of March. Let me give it a shuffle. So Scorpio, basically you guys have to communicate really well. This is the best thing to do at this time, because this communication will lead you to something very very beautiful. I don't feel like there will be a commitment from any kind of from any side from both of the parties. There is kind of friendship developing. Maybe Knight of Wands is also there in the outcome. So I feel like there will be some kind of physical encounter, maybe sexual energy is present here, passionate energy is present here after this long break, or maybe long pause. But basically I don't feel like there is any kind of committed energy present here right now by the end of March. So you guys have to balance out your emotions, work on yourself, and then communicate well with each other. Let's see what the universe want to tell you. Love call. Okay. Yeah. Someone expresses love of a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. I told you, you guys are going to talk to each other, and this is going to be a very open and honest conversation, and this will be the result by the end of March. Yeah, this is a happy result. Thank you, universe. And mirroring each other. Right now, you guys are mirroring each other. I told you, you guys are mirroring each other. You are not feeling that spark, but this communication will help you guys, okay? So mirroring each other, self-image, relationship reflect our wounds, introspection is going on between this between you parties. So this is what is happening. This is the second card, and the third card is talking. Interested, conversing more, awaited message arrives, text, call, email, hovering. Yeah. You guys will be talking to each other. Open and honest communication. I'm telling you, like, I feel like I'm telling you this communication thing a hundredth time right now. Yeah. So yeah, this is all about your love life till the end of March 2021, Scorpio. I hope this will help you out in making some kind of good decision. So thank you so much, and let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you. And do subscribe to my channel, please. This is the need of the hour. I need it very very badly right now. Your support will make me grow. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste, Scorpio. Thank you.